Hello, my name is Răzvan and welcome to razcapapercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make these two 3D origami eggs for my 3D origami basket. Very small and beautiful model. Let's start. For this model we need two colors. We need dark brown and cream. These are small 3D origami piece. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. These small pieces are made exactly in the same way like the large one. The only difference is the size of the rectangular of paper. And if you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will have several links in the description of the video. This is the rectangular of paper, 3.6 by 2.7 centimeters. And next we will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. And you can see there is a huge difference between these two pieces. And now I will use 6 pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. Please learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. In the beginning I will show you how I glue 3D origami pieces. I use a normal paper stick glue. You can find this kind of glue in every office supply store. I put some glue inside the pocket and then connect with other pieces. In the first row we will have dark brown pieces and in the second we have cream pieces. And we connect pieces like this until we have 4 pieces in the first row and 3 cream pieces in the second. Next we close the circle like this and then we put a cream pieces here. We complete the second row like this. And next we increase the number of pieces in a row, and for this we put 1 cream pieces here and then 2 above. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. I finished the row and now we have 8 pieces in this row, and next we put a cream row like this. Next we increase again. Now we have 8 pieces in a row and we increase to 16. And for this we put again 1 cream piece here between 3 pieces from the previous row, and then we put above 2 dark brown. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Now we have 16 pieces in this last row, and next we put an entire cream row like this. Complete the entire row. Next we put one cream piece and then one dark brown, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put one dark brown here and then one cream, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put one cream piece here, and then one dark, and we repeat this until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Next we put again one cream piece here, and we repeat one cream, one dark, one cream, and we respect the pattern. Complete the entire row after this pattern. Finish the row. Next we continuing the pattern, we put one dark brown here, then one cream, and we repeat until we complete the entire row. Finish the row. Until here the both 3D origami models are made in the same way, and next we will put another 4 rows after this pattern. Like this. One cream, one dark brown. Complete this row and then put another 3 after this pattern. I finish all these 4 rows, and now we have 9 rows after we start the pattern, and next we put an entire cream row like this. Complete the entire row. Next we decrease the number of pieces in a row, and we decrease with dark brown pieces. First we put a normal piece, one piece in 2 edges, and then we decrease. We put 3 edges from the previous row in 2 pockets, like this. Complete the entire row. I finish this row, and now we have only 11 pieces in this last row. And then we finish the model with an entire cream row like this. Finish the row. Now the model is finished, and next we push a little bit like this to give a nice round shape. And this 3D origami Easter egg is finished. Now for the second model, until here is exactly the same like the one I finish, and it is very simple. After we put 5 rows with the pattern, next we will put the dark brown pieces here, and then we put one dark, one cream, and we change the direction of the pattern like this. Complete the entire row. Next we put one dark brown here, and then one cream, and we complete the row after this pattern. After you finish this row, we put another 2 rows in the same way. One dark, one cream, and we respect the pattern. Finish all these 3 rows. I completed these 3 rows, and next we push a little bit, and we put an entire cream row like this. Finish the entire row. Next, we decrease the number of pieces in a row. We push a little bit like this, and we decrease with dark brown pieces. We put one normal piece, and then we put 3 edges from the previous row in only 2 pockets. Like this. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. I completed this row. Now we have only 11 pieces in this last row, and next we put a cream row, a normal cream row like this. Do not forget forget to glue. Complete the row. Now the model is finished, and this is the third model of 3D origami Christmas egg. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. These are easy and small models. If you like my videos, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.